Wendy Pig, I am bored now. What should we do today?
Yeah, we can do it.
I know. I can put little brother George in the microwave. Let's do it now.
That was a good idea. Let's go in the kitchen.
When Wendy and Peppa at the kitchen.
George, I gotta put in the microwave.
No. No, do not put me on the microwave.
Too bad.
Yes, I put him little brother in the microwave. Let's get out of there, I will get caught.
Uh-oh, let's see the kitchen right now. Oh dear. Did somebody put a little brother George in the microwave? Not again? It was Wendy and Peppa, both on so much trouble. Peppa and Wendy, get over here right now. Did you put little brother in the microwave? Tell me the truth, then you so ground.
Yes, I did.
Oh. G-R-R-R-R-R-R-R-R. Or. Oh, my God, Wendy Pig, how dare you put little brother George in a microwave? You know that. You're grounded for 100 centuries. Go to your room right now and the both piggies were put on the bed, and the George is okay.
Wah.
Wah.